It's something like, yeah, if you having a proper knowledge of sports, right? So if you have a proper knowledge of sports, obviously that will be somewhat be helping to you,
All
right?
right.
You're getting my point. But there is also but on this. Then people also come out. I have seen many sports lawyers there. They were not a player, but they know the proper rule, even like proper rules and system. Why? How? By watching game in the TV and all. The enthusiast on that part. I still used to remember when Professor Simon, he was my professor. When I used to go to ask question to Simon, Professor Simon, and he was like, just a minute. He was asking me, like, he's telling me just a minute. And I was like, what is he saying? When I was saying, he was poking to laptop like this, and I also poked the laptop. I said, he was just watching county match between Nottingham and Sussex. And he
All right.
was so enthusiastic, not fact that he was saying, oh, there was, I thought there someone got out. That's the reason. Okay, now what was your question? So he, enthusiast should be there, right? So see, if you don't have interest in certain field, how can you develop that?
Yeah. So any kind of material, if someone could like start
Now
from where
I
you
will
basically
say,
start from.
see, the best thing I will say, like writing a paper,
All right.
articles and paper and blogs and all. But I wish people nowadays writing too much of blogs. Like I know why, because 1,000 word is easy to say, right? But I will more specifically, I will be highlighting on writing articles. Why I will say writing article? Whether it's somewhere, I will not say write for article UGC listed general or Scoopers listed general, right? So if you're talking in mode of sports, I will say just talk it like something like sports view. I will not say see Scoopers. I will take as Olympic.
Hmm.
Okay, UGC listed national level, and the other journals listed as state level. So at least try to play for state level. If you write article, if you're writing article, if you're not plagiarizing that, okay, because I know, because I also like I in the academic field, I have seen how you guys write papers, sometimes paraphrasing the words. Don't do that
Hmm.
practice. If you do that practice, it will be something like that will not a developing fact of. But if you genuinely want to work on this field and you're writing for example, today I'm writing articles on human rights or in discrimination, gender discrimination, right? So when I'm writing gender discrimination paper on sports, what will I see usual? I will say how many papers are there, what are the other authors has written on this papers, right? So
Hmm.
I have seen mostly people have written like Title 9 of this constitution, which is my first gender discrimination rule. Then how this principle, the how it is modern days, what is the equal treatment of payment and all. Then I will think and I will write certainly our Article 14 and all, I will mixing that. So this is something new tradition, like
All
this
right.
old tradition and new way in thinking my country. Now we have seen Olympic, there are many transgender player was there, right?
Okay.
Even we have seen many cases like Caster Semenya teacher, where due to some hormone secretion problem, they has been said that you cannot compete because your hormone secretion is much more than a female athlete, so we will not consider you as a female athlete,
Hmm.
right? So there is certain gender discrimination is there also, right? And cast why I'm taking the contest of Caster Semenya because a very famous case, very famous in the sense due to her homosexuality was like more than the normal athletes in his domain, in her domain. So she has been banned from IOC, like a South African athlete. So and this is something. This is another prospect of gender discrimination. Right. Now, when I will writing paper on this, then I will write something in see, people are thinking of the normal thing, right? Gender discrimination, male, female, equal treatment. But I am thinking in different view, which is the transgender view,
All
right?
right.
In the hormone creation view of castrosoma and all. So today you have I will take another, then I will take another possible in this view, which is something like today, if you're banning castrosoma due to her natural hormone, probably which is a God gifted. I will say rather I will say God gifted, right? Then why you're not also banning Michael Phelps? The
Why?
reason Michael Phelps,
Okay.
the reason Michael Phelps who medal is due to his body structure. So his body structure is much more different than the other swimmer. And that is the main reason why Michael Phelps won too many medals. Then you also ban Michael Phelps. That is also God gifted. If you are saying hormone circulation, which is the natural secretion of testosterone, which is God gifted, and you are imposing ban on her. So then also impose ban on him. Then why you are not imposing ban on him? And if you see the swimming style of Michael Phelps, normally if you are swimmer, they push water through his leg, right? And he's like he is taller than the other swimmer. His leg structure is also different from the other swimmer. And if you see Michael Phelps style, he used to push water through his hand, not through his leg.
Alright.
So this is some, and why is that? Because the body structure is something different. So why you're not stopping that? Why? And why this thing came in my mind? Because I have researched on this, right? Even before studying sports law, to my interest developed, I studied on this. This is the reason how I developed my face. So I will just say that you need to develop the skill of article writing.
Alright.
Yes, and for the book, I will say there are many books in India as well as in Europe. But I will say there is a sports law. The book named Sports Law is a very famous book, and which is written by one of these two professors, Simon Boyce and Simon Gardner, right? And they are like they have 25 years. I told you in previously also, right, Joel? They're 25 years experience and all. So obviously they are doing something different. So they have written the whole international sports law concept, where you find many rules regarding FIFA to everything. Right, why this sports law, the term which started this sport and always started from, right? This everything is mentioned in that book, but in India book we will not find this type of thing. In India,
So the book's name is Sports Law. The book's name is Sports Law by Simon Boyce.
Simon Boyce, and it's published by Routledge.
Alright.
Okay, so see now in India we are saying once upon a time we used to say we have to do the contract by Indian Contract Act. Now, if you study Indian books, it will mostly focusing on the Indian laws itself only. They will see Indian Contract Act. But even when I read that book, I came out to know the RSTP, right? Then there's very famous case of passing off. We have read this law of passing off in fraud. The Arsenal versus Reed, very famous case of passing off. Like Reed Mr. Reed has a key shop just near the Arsenal stadium, and very sell the product of Arsenal, right? Just like which we have a local market, right, of India and all. So Arsenal put a case on that. This type of case we will not find in Indian books. We'll find in foreign authors' book only, and this is the book you need to focus on. So if you that's I will say mostly you will find many things in that book, from IP to hooliganism and all. See, for example, why I'm taking hooliganism? We have seen stadium in remember the Nagpur test, where there was a huge stadium pollution happened, stadium broke down, many people injured and all. Nothing happened, right? No one has put any question, right? Same thing happened with our Liverpool. Remember Hillsborough? The incident of Hillsborough. Nottingham Forest versus this Liverpool. Right, and that is on the side of hooliganism. And also recently when UEFA final, the England hooliganism, you have seen that. Recently you have seen that also. Now that is in the question of money and all, like imposing ban and all, fine ban. Why? Because this covered this Stadium Safety Act. How I came to know this? I have read this book. I came to know this knowledge. In India also, sports law is in act is in developing phase. Whether that I mean to say it's in the dust, right? So that is the dust. So we have to take out that and we have to develop that. And how you came to get knowledge on that? If you study Indian book, you cannot get that. If you have to study the foreign authors, then all you can think on that. So this is how you need to develop.
Sure. This current episode, the full length, will be available on YouTube, and also you have to find the latest updates about the session as well on Instagram and other platforms as well. So do like, share, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and also follow our Instagram page with regard to regular updates as well.